Hey guys, I don't know if you can see this, but right here, I'm pointing at, that's like a bolt that I welded onto some pieces of rebar right here. Now, I'm going to try to weld the very tip of the bolt and see how that works. So I'm going to try to put a bead on top. I was just thinking about it, and I was like, I wonder if I could do that. I was like, well, I'm going to do it. Might as well make a video. An auto-tinting mask would be really helpful. Woo! That was crazy. Wonder if you guys saw that. Well, that's pretty crazy. Still glowing red hot. Still red hot. It's on there pretty good. Well, thanks for watching. I was just a little Harbor Freight 110 or 115 volt arc welder. And burnt my gloves. As you guys can see, it works pretty good. So comment, rate, subscribe. I've done all these little welds in here with it. So comment, rate, subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos soon. I got this new bandsaw, tool chest, brand new air compressor, and table saw. I just built this shop a little while ago, so hopefully be getting some use out of it. Alright, well, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.